So check it out. This is my brand new custom made bird bath, and I need to seal it today with this Siltec. So while I'm doing the sealing, I'm going to tell you how I come to buy this wonderful piece of concrete. All right. So I need to put 2 coats of the Siltec on there. So I'm really excited about this bird bath for the main reason that I've spent probably 6 months looking in 3 different states of Mexico to find a bird bath, and what I've come to the conclusion is they don't sell bird baths in Mexico, or at least in the Central Highlands. Maybe it's different where there's a lot more birds in the Yucatan or in Puerto Vallarta on the coast. I don't know, but in the Central Highlands, couldn't find the bird bath. So one day I was in a small town in the state of Queretaro, and I found a concrete guy. His store had the most amazing stuff. It had giant lions, bulls, entire floor, 8-foot tall fountains. And so he wasn't in the office, so I asked his wife, I said, can you make a bird bath? And I kind of gave her an idea of what exactly I was looking for, and she said absolutely her husband could make that, and it would take about 6 days. It was on a weekend, and she asked me to come back on a Friday to pick it up. And the interesting part about the construction of this is that when I bought it, I chose a base that they already had, and then I kind of gave them an idea of what I wanted. I wanted a bird bath. I wanted a shallow bowl so the birds could get in it. And something I didn't realize is that in Mexico, at least this particular concrete guy gave me the choice of 5 different colors, and I believe this is called pink, and it's actually something, a dye that they put into the concrete mix as they're making the concrete before they put on the put it into the mold. So the other thing that they wanted is that I needed to pay 50% of the purchase price in advance at that time to give them the ability to do it. They gave me a receipt. It wasn't a problem. When I showed up on that late Friday morning to pick it up, it was ready for me, and the gentleman loaded it into my car. I'm sure you're asking yourself, well, what's the cost of something like this? Delivered from where they were at to my house in Queretaro, it was going to be right around 2,500 pesos. There are some things that I wanted to do in that town, so I told him I would come pick it up. So he gave me a discount, obviously because of the transportation cost, which was going to be substantial, and he also gave me a discount because I paid cash. So let me know in the comments what you think about this little beauty that I got, and have you been able to find bird baths in your area where you're at? Drop a comment and let me know, because I couldn't find them. And the main reason I bought the bird bath is in a video I did maybe a month ago about things I miss in the U.S., and one of them was nature. And there's not a lot of nature here in the mountains of Querétaro. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm building like a little bird sanctuary to bring nature to me. So far I've gotten, I think 6 or 7 different species of birds. I know there's some wild parrots that got loose about 10 years ago. They're in the neighborhood, so we're trying to hopefully lure them in with the bird bath, or the small green guys. And and I've already been putting out food for the last month or two. So when I get a nice day when the birds are out and everything's set up, I'll do a quick little video of the bird sanctuary, if you will. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick one, but I just wanted to give you an update about one of the amazing things about Mexico is that if you can't find it, you probably can find somebody who can make it for you. And I've done the same thing with furniture. We've had custom-made furniture in the state of Michoacan. Same thing with cabinetry in closets and kitchen cabinets, also done in Michoacan. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Silver Fox Mexico out. Okay, so real quick, I put the 2 coats of the sealant on there, and as you can see, it's made the color a little darker, and that's exactly what I was looking for and what they showed me in the store when I bought it, that it would turn darker like this, and it's perfect. All right, thanks.